I'm going to Hermes right now. Would I get a Birkin this time? Let's see what happens. My favorite people. Where are you going?
We're gonna see Hermes here.
¿Cómo dice? ¡Vamos! Bienvenido ya con su suero, el presagio de que ven el cielo. Amores tan extraños que vienen y se van en tu corazón, sobrevivirán. Son historias que siempre contarás sin saber si son de verdad. Gracias a todos. Gracias a tutti. Thank you everybody.
I don't know what point this vlog is at, but I got something from Hermes. Let's unbox this baby right here. So, if you were able to see, I went to the boutique. I was able to look into so many different things. My essay, he is incredible. He is amazing. He said, you know what? I just received this baby, so let's unbox it together. Oh my gosh. When you see it, I already took off the ribbon, but it's a pair of shoes. You can tell that. But which pair of shoes they are? You know I love my orange sandals. I have been eyeing other pairs of shoes too. Can you guess? Can you guess which ones I got? Oh my gosh! They are the Chypre sandals in the shade Rose Porcelain. In what it says on the receipt though, calfskin. Although to me they look more like suede, at least the way when I touch them. But I feel like this shade is perhaps the most feminine of all of them, because I mean, let's be honest, this is kind of like a dad style sandal, so it's not gonna look like, oh wow, you know, like look at these sandals. They are just like so feminine. They are just like for everyday wear. And I actually watching my friend Amy, she does recommend to protect the soles, so I'm gonna buy some sole protectants, just, you know, to keep it the best condition possible. But I'm wondering if I should spray them. What do you think, my friends? Should I spray them? Look at the color. You know, my friends, I'm in my pink era, and this is a very neutral pink. I mean, it can go with beige, it can go with white. You know, it's a very versatile color. You can wear them with jeans. I will wear them with jeans too, but I think the color is beautiful, and I'm so happy I got my first Chypre sandals. So hard to find. Another funny fact, if you watch my unboxings, you know I have funny facts pretty much for every single thing. But I have a second funny fact from the Chypre sandals. Last year, my essay, he was so sweet. He texted me, look, I got some Chypre sandals. And they were the ones that looks like an ox, right, with the shirling inside. I'm like, no, I don't like that. I decline on them. I know everything helps to get into, to get your bag of your dreams. But to me, what it really matters is that I will use whatever thing that I purchase, that I will, certainly use it, because I'm not there to waste money, right? Not waste money, not waste time. If it's my pleasure to get something that I really eyeing, and this color I was eyeing, you can actually even get them online. You don't need to go through an essay. So, but they are hard to get, because as soon as they get back in stock, oh my gosh, people are there to buy them right away. And if you do not act fast, at least this color, or if it's the gold color, which is the tan color basically, or like the white ones, or even the black ones, the popular sizes, they go by fast. So I'm so happy I got them. Let me know if you have the Chypre sandals, how you like them. I have also been eyeing the Chanel, that sandals, but they feel a little bit more clunky, more heavy. There's some Dior ones too that I have heard they are really good too. But do you have any opinion? Let's just continue that conversation in the comment section down below while you're at it. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're in the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It will be incredible if you can come and follow me both on my Instagram and TikTok. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, well, I will be leaving you a couple of videos right here that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye.